Welcome to Seattle, where the local time is 2:21 p.m. We'll be parked at the gate B7A, B7 Alpha, and then our carousel number is 5. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and the carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before departing. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your feedback and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Los Angeles-based flight attendant, thank you for choosing Delta. We look forward to seeing you soon.